Good morning, everyone. How are we feeling this Saturday? How is it looking like? After a very long time, we are meeting on the Saturdays. How is everyone doing this morning? Come on, come on, come on. Let's bring the energy levels up right at the beginning of the session. Okay, I can see some answers coming. All good? Okay, okay, Alka. अगर आप लोगों को लग रहा है मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊंगी विदाउट योर रिप्लाईज देन आई वोंट ओके सो आई एम वेटिंग गाइस एंड मनी लव स्पीड इफ यू रिमेंबर राइट मनी लव स्पीड लेट्स बी स्पीडी इट डजंट टेक 1 minute to speak about our feelings, right? All good? Good? All right. No worries if you're not able to switch on your camera, but if you can and if it is really doable, then please do. Good, great, all good. All right. So, guys, if I have to ask you a question, starting the session now, if I have to ask you a question, how have the last 6 months of, of 2025 been? January to June 2025, if you have to rate it on a number between 1 to 10. And when I say 1 to 10 rate it, I mean 1 being the lowest, that it has not been that good, decent, 10 being the highest, that means it has been amazing. Then you have to consider almost every area of your life. Don't just consider money, don't just consider health, don't just consider wealth, don't just consider career. ठीक है क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है हमारा लाइक हाउ वी रेट थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन आवर करियर है ना कि काम मस्त चल रहा है तो लाइफ मस्त चल रही है बट मे बी घर पे चीजें सही नहीं चल रही राइट सो कैन वी प्लीज रेट हाउ वी हैव हाउ वी थिंक अबाउट आवर January to June 2025. All right, I can see some numbers coming now. So we have three sevens, 5, 6, 4, 5. All right, 6, 5, 4, 5. Okay. So if it's anywhere below 6, okay, if it is 6 or below, then it's time that we increase that number from a 6 or a 7 and we take it as close to 10 as possible, right? ठीक है एटलीस्ट हमारा इंटेंट पूरा होना चाहिए ना दैट वी स्टिल हैव 6 months ऑफ 2025 लेफ्ट राइट चलो ठीक है 4 दिन निकल गए हैं आज 5th day है बट स्टिल if we consider we still have almost 6 months of full 6 months which is like more than like let's say almost 180 days still left right which is a huge time don't you think it's a huge time 180 days right to bring things up, be it in health, be it in wealth, career, money, relationships. It's time that we bring it up from wherever it is to a bigger number. Okay? So we're going to work on that. Now, how do we do that? How do we do that? How do we change the reality of our next 6 months so that if we are sitting together, assuming, I don't know what's the day on the 31st of December, but assuming we are sitting together on the 31st of December and I'm asking you this question again, then you give yourself 10 out of 10. Like the same question that I asked you, that how have the last 6 months been? If I ask you how have the last 12 months of 2025 been, your answer should be amazing, Sona. Like you should not even stop speaking about how the year has been. It's crazy. It's crazy for you, right? That's how it should be. That's how every year should be, right? So I want those answers to be different. I want the energy levels to be different when we meet at the year end. And that is why I thought let's speak about what kind of changes we can bring in our life. And if you're already doing it, amazing. If you're not doing it, there are certain habits that I want to speak about that we must be inculcating in the remaining 6 years of our of the year left. Okay? And those habits are holistically going to develop your life. It's not just in any one specific area that पैसा बहुत है but शरीर पूरा दर्द कर रहा है. No. What's the point? What will we do? Or I'm very fit and fine, I'm like super healthy, but I don't even have a single rupee in my bank account. Then also. ठीक है तो it should be like holistic development in all the areas. Correct? So, what are some of the habits each one of us must be building in the remaining 6 months of 2025? All right. And of course, we'll have to, it's not just about 2025. These should be long-term habits, but at least right now we're speaking about this particular year. The first habit, which can transform the way you speak today, the way you interact today, the way you think today. It can make you a more smarter individual. It can make you probably the smartest person in the room sitting if you can inculcate this particular habit, is reading every day for minimum 30 minutes, guys. 30 मिनट के लिए minimum से minimum. Those of you over here who don't have a reading habit have to form it. Those of you who have it, amazing. You have to maintain it. Those of you who do not have a habit of reading even for 5 minutes a day have to start reading every day for minimum 30 minutes. I can't tell you, guys, I can't tell you how it transforms your life, how it shapes your life. Like, if I have to speak the next 1 hour only on the habit of reading a book and what kind of benefit it gives you, I can literally go about speaking. I personally started reading when I was in grade 6th class में थी जब मैं स्कूल में, तब से मैं बुक्स पढ़ रही हूँ every single day. Yeah, now the question is, read what? Read about, I'm not going to say read novels. I'm not speaking about reading, fiction. I'm not speaking about reading romance or, you can say thrillers. That's not what I'm speaking about over here. What I'm speaking about is reading self-help books, reading finance, reading about taxes, reading about money, reading about how you can, create better influence on people, reading leadership, reading about, let's say, how you can improve your relationships with people. You can read about geopolitics. You can read how countries operate. You can read autobiographies. समझ रहे हो guys, मैंने कितने सारे अभी एग्जाम्पल दे दिए. All of them are intended towards improving you and your personality and you as an individual. Any book that improves the quality of your talks, the quality of how you speak when you're sitting in a group of people, the quality of your own skill set, your knowledge. It can be directly related to the profession that you're in. For example, I am into the profession of coaching. I am into the profession where I speak about a lot about personal development stuff, so for and specifically money. So for me, मेरे को तो चार्ट जानी चाहिए जितनी भी मनी रिलेटेड बुक्स हैं, right? I should be like, the kind of books I should be reading and I read is money related books, right? Mindset related books, brain related books. Then I read a lot about, I read autobiographies of, leaders. Okay, leaders that I love and I literally admire, right? The kind of books I read are, of course, motivational. I don't read much. There's a difference between motivational and self-help and those category of books like money related. I read finance related books because I have a very keen interest in that. So, guys, anything that enables you to better up in your career, of course, number one, or in general improves your personality. Like, I read a lot of books as to how you become a leader, because I have to lead as a business individual, as a owner of a company, and as someone who's in a very people centric business. I have to read books, right, as to how a leader operates. Then I read a lot of books about webinars, workshops, sales psychology, marketing. ये सबको चाहिए ना, सेल्स और मार्केटिंग तो सबको चाहिए, राइट गाइस? एवरीबडी नीड्स इट, राइट? इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ व्हाट प्रोफेशन यू आर इनटू. बेचना तो सबको आना चाहिए ना, मार्केट करना सबको आना चाहिए. सो I hope you guys got a perspective. How many of you do not have a habit of reading books, guys? Tell me no in the chat box. Okay, give me a no in the chat box if you do not have a habit of reading books. Okay, see, a lot of people are there who do not have a habit of reading books, guys. So you're missing. पता है books से क्या मिलता है? I'll tell you, but before that, I have a message which I want to read, which is there. Even instead of listening to songs while traveling, better listen to audiobooks on Audible. Vivek, while I agree with you that audiobooks are amazing, you should read them, but audiobooks are still, I would say, not a replacement of the physical books. I don't want you to get into the habit of, I'm not speaking about you getting into personal development space, ki podcast suno, videos dekho. That's not what I said. I specifically said reading books. Reading books, not listening to books, guys. There's a difference between you listening to books versus you reading the books. आपको Audible पे बुक सुननी है, आप सुनो. but that should be over and above reading a physical copy or an ebook. All right, guys, I want you to get into the habit of reading a book, whether you read it on a Kindle or whether you read it on a mobile phone. Mobile phone तो I would strictly say avoid, because तब तो फिर आप WhatsApp या Instagram ज़्यादा चला रहे होगे book reading से. But physical copy of the book is the best form of reading books. You can look at the topmost leaders in any industry, they still rely on a physical copy of a book. There's a reason behind it, okay? There's a reason behind it. It develops better focus levels. So अगर आपको सुननी है, I am also someone who listens to a lot of audiobooks, okay? I listen to a lot of audiobooks. अगर ऐसा होता है कि कार से कहीं जा रहे हैं, कैब से कहीं जा रहे हैं, which almost every day I travel by cab. So of course I need an audiobook, right? Sorry about it. My son just came. Just a minute. All right. He wanted his colors. Now that he has it, probably he'll play. Cool. So yeah, I was saying that we have to be reading books, guys. ठीक है? हमें अपनी books पढ़ना ज़रूरी है. Physical copy of a book is the best form of book because it increases your focus levels, it increases your concentration levels, it increases your habit of being able to stay at one place for a long time. आपकी brain एक point पे concentrate करना सीख पाती है जब आप एक book पढ़ रहे होते हो. There are innumerable benefits to reading a book, guys, okay? So I was saying I also listen to a lot of books, but there has not been a single day when I don't read a book. Since years से. कॉलेज टाइम में मैं 2-2 दिन में एक बुक खत्म करती थी. दैट वाज द, क्योंकि तब तब टाइम ज्यादा होता था, अब टाइम कम होता है. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक यू कैन फिनिश बुक्स आफ्टर बुक्स, बट देन क्रेजी क्रेजी. ओके, कैन वी ऑल डू दैट, स्पेशली दोज ऑफ अस हु डू नॉट हैव दैट हैबिट, गाइज. मैं बता रही हूँ 6 महीने बाद यू विल हैव बेटर आइडियाज, you will have better, communication skills. You would have more topics to speak to people when you meet them, rather than speaking about iske ghar mein uske ghar mein. I'm not saying you speak about that, but what majority people have topics to discuss about, right? अच्छा उसकी life में क्या हो रहा है, इसके में क्या हो रहा है, अच्छा आपने क्या किया, and then the topics finish up. When you read books, you will become probably one of the most intelligent persons in any room you sit, okay? And everybody over here wants to become that, I'm sure. आप 6 महीने बाद 31st ऑफ, एंड लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, व्हाट शुड बी द स्पीड एटलीस्ट आपको, ताकि एक आइडिया रहे दैट यू डोंट हैव टू फिनिश वन बुक इन द नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स. ना 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 ना, लेजी लेजी लोगों की तरह बुक नहीं पढ़नी, ठीक है? एटलीस्ट bare minimum I'm telling you, if you read let's say 30 minutes of a book every day, ठीक है? 30 minutes अगर हर दिन पढ़ते हो, मतलब आधा घंटा एक दिन पढ़ते हो, तो 15 days में you can finish one book. That means almost 8 hours of reading can help you to finish one book. You don't need a speed reading course or something for that. If that means you can finish 2 books in 1 month. So in next 6 months, come on, unitary method हमने पढ़ा है ना बचपन में. एक महीने में अगर एक इंसान 2 books खत्म करता है, तो 6 महीने में कितनी books खत्म हो जाएंगी? How many books would we have finished in the next 6 months, guys? Come on, simple maths, right? All right, कितनी 20, 24, 18, 12, right? So we would be finishing 12 books by 31st December 25. कैसा लग रहा है सुन के? अच्छा लग रहा है? Someone who's sitting at 0 books today, how do you feel? Someone who's sitting at 0 books, how do you feel? You would have finished 12 books in the next 6 months. Come on यार, हीरो बन जाओगे आप in your own life, right? Okay, I completed almost 35 books last year, target to complete 40. Amazing, Vivek, amazing. I myself finish 2 to 3 books every month, right? Despite anything that's happening, anything else that's happening. हमेशा हमेशा एक बुक होती है मेरे पास. अभी भी मेरी बुक यहाँ रखी थी. My son was looking at it. I was reading Export Secrets and he was finding cartoons in the book and he was saying, this is me, this is you, this is Papa. So उसने कहीं रख दी. But that's the book I'm reading these days, okay? Cool. So now that's the first habit. This is the first habit that you need to build. The second habit, working out. Guys, ये पहला वाला काम हो गया दिमाग के ऊपर, है ना? It's like building, having examples, having stories, building a skill set where you become an intelligent person in the room. But हमें इंटेलिजेंट तो लगना है, लेकिन हमें फिजिकली भी अट्रैक्टिव लगना है ना, राइट? वी वांट टू बी फिजिकली अट्रैक्टिव ऑल्सो. We don't want to be someone who's having body pains. We don't want to be someone having our tummy bulging out. We don't want to be someone having, having a body which is not in shape. Everybody over here wants a body in shape. अब ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है ना, बुक तो एक जगह बैठ के पढ़नी होती है वर्किंग आउट के लिए, तो कूदना फिरना भागना वागना गेम्स खेलने पड़ते हैं. सो दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट, राइट? मोर देन द फर्स्ट वन. Yeah, those Russell Brunson sketches. Apps, yes, yes, yes. So those small, वो stick figures होती है ना. So my son calls them babies, and he loves looking at those Russell Brunson figures. So yeah, so working out, right? Again, working out is not just for your body, my friend. It's also for your brain. जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, जब हम भागते हैं, जब हम कूदते हैं, व्हेन वी एनी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्किंग आउट, आई एम नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग यू एंड आई एम नॉट इवन एनीवन टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट यू, क्योंकि मेरा खुद का कोई फिक्स्ड शेड्यूल या रूटीन नहीं है वर्किंग आउट का. इट्स लाइक वेरी हैफर्ड, बट आई मेक श्योर दैट आई एक्सरसाइज एवरी डे, और एटलीस्ट आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ वॉक एवरी डे. और इफ आई एम एट होम, लाइक घर पे तो रोज ही होती हूँ मैं, बट इफ माई सन गेट्स अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग एंड आई डोंट गेट टाइम अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, देन आफ्टर आई लीव हिम टू डे केयर, आई कम home and then I have a treadmill at my own home and I exercise every day. So 30 minutes bare minimum each one of us has to find out, despite any busy routine that you have, despite any busy routine that you have, क्योंकि आपको अपने माइंड के साथ साथ अपनी बॉडी के ऊपर भी वर्क करना है. एंड व्हेन यू एक्सरसाइज, योर बॉडी एंड योर माइंड बोथ बिकम मोर शार्प, मोर एक्टिव. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ओवर हेयर डू नॉट एक्सरसाइज? टाइप अ नो, जैसे मैंने बुक्स के लिए पूछा था. नो शेम, नो शेम, बिकॉज आज से हम नई स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, टुडे इज द न्यू स्टार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. इट्स एज इफ यू आर बीइंग बोर्न टुडे. It's as if, so when someone is born, they know nothing. They know nothing, right? कुछ नहीं पता होता बच्चों को, पेट से जो सीख के आते हैं वही होता है. Similarly, whatever you've learned so far has brought you to whatever number you wrote in the beginning. Now it's the time. Now is the starting. ठीक है, तो हम आज से नया स्टार्ट ले रहे हैं. So a lot of people are saying no over here. Okay, only walking for 10-15 minutes. Can we make it 30 minutes bare minimum, guys? बिल्कुल ना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड रहेगा हमारे दिमाग में. अच्छा, 30 मिनट बुक पढ़नी है, 30 मिनट हमें कुछ एक्सरसाइज करनी है, बी इट योगा, बी इट प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन, इफ आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, आई कैन बी प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, आई कैन बी गोइंग फॉर एनी स्पोर्ट, आई कैन बी walking, I can be jogging, I can be doing some stretches at home, I can be whatever यार, जो भी. अब मैं तो नहीं बता सकती आपको, बट बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस या वर्किंग आउट होते हैं. एनीथिंग दैट यू फील fits into your schedule to start with. If you want going, अब किसी को लगेगा आधे घंटे वॉक से क्या होता है सोनल. सपोज यू आर वॉकिंग फॉर 30 minutes पर डे, ओनली वॉकिंग. वो तो ईजी है ना, चलना तो हम सबको आता है, उसमें कुछ ज्यादा एफर्ट भी नहीं लगता. 30 minutes of walking per day makes it okay. Again, unitary method. Come on, how many hours will we have walked in 6 months? अगर हम आधा घंटा एक दिन चलते हैं, somebody please calculate it for me. If we walk 30 minutes per day, how much would we have walked in 180 days? How many hours would we have walked in 180 days? Come on, come on, come on. Easy है ये तो, आधा ही करना है सीधा सीधा. Right? How many hours would we have walked? 54? ये कैसे आया? 270? ओ माय गॉड, बड़ी बड़ी सही मैथ्स चल रही है यहाँ पे, बड़ी सारी. 90 hours, guys. 90, 180 का आधा ही तो करना है. Every day you're walking for 30 minutes, right? So 180 days में you'll be walking for, no, not kilometers. When I was not asking in, क्योंकि क्या पता ना आधे घंटे में कोई कितना किलोमीटर चल सकता है. Everybody would have their own speed, right, of walking. Guys, just give me a second. There's someone who's called me 5 times. I just need to see if maybe it's no courier or someone. Just okay. नॉट यूजफुल. सो 30 मिनट्स अगर हम रोज चल रहे हैं तो हम 90 आवर्स. नाउ इमेजिन 90 आवर्स. अब अच्छा लग रहा है सुनने में? 30 आवर्स was like only 30 आवर्स. सॉरी, 30 मिनट्स. 30 मिनट्स में क्या होता है, राइट? व्हाट इज 30 मिनट्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 180 मेक्स इट 90 आवर्स. अब सोचो, 90 घंटे. बेटर देन जीरो. बेटर देन जीरो, गाइस. जहाँ कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा उसकी जगह 90 आवर्स चल लोगे तो कुछ तो हुआ होगा बॉडी में. Some sweating would have happened, some heartbeat increase would have happened, some stamina would have improved. And you know what? When you work out, when you start working out, even you feel like eating better. क्योंकि आपको लगता है यार मेहनत करी है यार, आधा पौना घंटा मेहनत करी है, पसीना निकाला है, अब इसके बाद छोले भटूरे तो नहीं खाएंगे, है ना? At least every second day I'm not going to eat unhealthy. Maybe once a week I can if you feel like, but then every second day, third day you're not going to eat, right? So even that habit is going to improve, correct? Automatically your brain will say. Okay? So I'm sharing my screen again. So if you're going for a 30 minutes exercise, not just walk, any form of exercise every day, it will compound, it will compound to 90 hours of working out. Imagine in by 31st December 25. Correct? मजा आ रहा है ना? Right? Now just see the impact. See the impact when you do it for 6 months. Don't see the impact for one day. अब बोलोगे एक दिन आधे घंटे बुक में कौन सा मैं बड़ी इंटेलिजेंट बन जाऊंगी, है ना, या मेरा दिमाग बड़ा चल जाएगा. एक दिन में नहीं चलेगा, बट एक दिन में प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा. First day is the starting of the process, right? Imagine if you can conquer these things by the end of 2025. तो क्या आप छोड़ दोगे क्या 2026 में? नहीं नहीं नहीं, अब नहीं. सोनल ने बोला था 6 महीने करना है. Of course you will continue it. Next month ये डबल हो जाएगा. Because then you would know it from the first day of the year, right? First day of the year से पता होगा ना तब तो. अभी हमें अभी पता लग रहा है, but बाद में we'll be doing it by, you'll be doing it every single day of the year. The third habit, every day guys, every day, when I say every day, you have to write down your goals or desires. अब इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Goals, desires. Some of you would be like, Sonal, मेरे अंदर तो आदत ही नहीं है, I am not a goal setter, I don't set goals, I live life like कि हाँ हर दिन day by day whatever is happening, right? आज काम कर लिया, कल काम कर लिया, but there's no concept of setting goals in my life. Then you do it today. I'm not even saying you have to have hardcore goals written. एक exercise बताती हूँ मैं आपको. My mentor told me and I have been doing it ever since. It makes you more hungry. So this particular habit was making you more intelligent. This particular habit is making you more fitter, both mentally and, if I have to tell you the benefit of this habit, it is going to make you more intelligent. Okay? Because you will have more ideas in your head and you will have a lot of knowledge from multiple different mentors who are the book writers in your life. This is going to make you fitter and healthier, both, mentally and physically. All right? This habit is going to increase your hunger manyfold. अच्छा चलो, यहाँ पे कोई बहुत कम, आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू, बट आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट देयर वुड बी वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु राइट देयर गोल्स एवरी डे. मेजोरिटी लोग अगर जो गोल सेट भी करते हैं, वो पता है क्या करते हैं? दे जस्ट राइट देयर गोल्स एंड देन दे फॉरगेट इट फॉर अ मंथ एंड देन दे रिवाइज इट नेक्स्ट मंथ एंड देन दे सी. हर दिन कोई नहीं पढ़ता, ना कोई पढ़ता है ना कोई लिखता है. इज देयर एनीवन ओवर हियर हु राइट्स देयर गोल्स एवरी डे? राइट्स, नॉट रीड्स, राइट्स. बैठ के लिख रहा है. अच्छा कल भी लिखा था, आज फिर लिख रहे हैं. अच्छा कल भी लिखेंगे. सो आई कैन सी फ्यू पीपल आर देयर, राइट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू डोंट डू इट? टाइप अ नो इन द चैट बॉक्स गाइस. Right? Okay, so Naresh is showing to me that he writes it every day. I do that every day, guys. I do that every single day. No? जब आप ये नहीं करते ना, तो पता है क्या होता है? आपकी हंगर भी बहुत कम होती है. योर हंगर इज वेरी लेस. एटलीस्ट, ठीक है चलो, जो हर दिन लिख रहा है उसकी हंगर तो अलग लेवल पे होगी. एटलीस्ट ऐसे भी लोग हैं अगर यहाँ पे जो रीड कर रहे हैं, हु आर एटलीस्ट रीडिंग ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस, इफ नॉट राइटिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ लिटिल लेसर देन राइटिंग. बट जो ना लिख रहे हैं ना रीड कर रहे हैं, उनका तो गोल है ही नहीं फिर दिमाग में. आउट. यार देर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ थॉट्स दैट पास थ्रू आवर माइंड एवरी डे, है ना? हजारों थॉट्स हमारे माइंड में पास होते हैं. If so, aren't there like infinite chances of us forgetting our goals if we don't write or if we don't read every day? Think about it. भूल नहीं जाएंगे हम? This is like human mind, right? By goals, do you mean tasks to do? No, 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 no. By goals I don't mean the tasks, because goals daily कैसे हो सकते हैं? It can be tasks ना. No, 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 no. I'll just explain. I don't write every day, but I write my desire and make a target. Is it correct or not? If you can guide. See, what I simply mean to say is set a timer. ये भी एक एक्टिविटी है जो आपको हर दिन करनी है. नॉट फॉर 30 minutes. 30 minutes इज अ वेरी बिग टाइम फॉर इट. 10 minutes. 10 मिनट. 10 मिनट तो मेजोरिटी लोग बर्बाद कर देते होंगे अपनी लाइफ में, है ना, इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल करने में. सो नो बडी ओवर हेयर कैन से कि आई डोंट हैव 10 minutes ऑफ माई लाइफ टू डू गोल, to write my goals every day or look at my goals every day. Nobody over here can say that. Please, if you don't have time for your own goals, that means you have all the time in the world for your employer or someone else. It simply means that. ठीक है? जो सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है तो वेल एंड गुड, नहीं लग रहा है देन वी हैव टू मेक आउट टाइम फॉर आवरसेल्फ फॉर 10 minutes ऑफ द डे. कूल. नाउ 10 minutes ऑफ द डे से मेरा क्या मतलब है? फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग यू कैन बी डूइंग दैट. And for those of you who are a part of my 5 a.m. club, if you do that first thing in the morning, you can do it second thing in the morning. ठीक है? So after, let's say, the 5 a.m. club ends, or if you're not a part of it, as soon as you get up, the first thing you must be doing is have a copy, set a timer, literally set a timer, maybe on your phone. Oh, this set a timer automatically. I was saying this while I was saying this. Yep. So you have to set a timer of 10 minutes. And what do you have to do is just take a copy, take a pen, and write down every single thing that you want in your life. I'm not saying you have to achieve it all in the next 6 months or in the next 1 year. नहीं. अब आप लिख रहे हो I want a penthouse worth 10 CR, तो थोड़ा ना आप कल अचीव कर लोगे उसको या अगले साल में भी ले लोगे. It'll take you some time, right? I'm not saying that you have to achieve it. I'm saying you have to increase your desires. I'm saying you have to increase your hunger. ठीक है? अब कई बार होगा that things will be different every day because when you're taking 10 minutes and you're not giving your brain to think, आपको बैठ के सोचना नहीं, अच्छा do I want a 4 BHK or do I want a 5 BHK? Just write it down, man. 10 minutes without giving a break to your mind, just write down whatever comes to your head, whatever you want. This is a mental exercise, guys. This is a mental exercise. This makes you hungry like crazy. जब आप लिख लोगे ना और हर दिन लिखोगे और हर दिन पढ़ोगे, believe me, your hunger will go to next level. You will become such a massive action taker that even if you will want to sleep after it ना, अब सोचो आपने लिखा उसके बाद कोई सो सकता है जाके? Will you even feel like sleeping after that? कि एक तरफ आई एम राइटिंग कि बॉस आई वांट दिस कार, आई वांट दिस होम, आई वांट टू ट्रैवल दिस कंट्री, आई वांट टू टेक माय मदर, माय पेरेंट्स, माय चिल्ड्रन, blah blah blah, here and there. I want to go to the most luxurious spa in the world, and then I'm sleeping as if I care. It's like so contradictory to each other, right? So you can either be sleeping and not doing anything about your desires, or you can be doing this every day and literally have your mind working like crazy, generating ideas. Oh, I wrote this. What does, so your mind will automatically become active कि अच्छा करूं क्या अब इसको पूरा करने के लिए? पूरा भी तो करना पड़ेगा ना अब इसे. What do I do to make this? I'm not saying that every, see, it can't be same every day because हम कोई रट के तो लिख नहीं रहे. Whatever is coming to my head, I'm writing. Do it for 30 days straight, I'm telling you. 30 days के बाद you will only message me that Sonal क्या कर दिया ये मेरे दिमाग के साथ, ये तो पलट गया पूरा. It's like I went crazy. When my mentor told this to me for the first time, I was like, क्या पागलपंती है ये? But then ठीक है, I believed it because I am someone who surrenders to him 100%. बोला है तो करना है, मतलब simple. No option. So I did it. And 15-20 दिन हुए होंगे, I was like, I was wanting more things in my life. इतनी मेरे को पता भी नहीं थी मुझे चाहिए, but I was wanting those. And when I want those things, of course, I'll have to work harder for those things. I'll have to create better workshops. I'll have to conduct better sessions. I'll have to increase my sales. I'll have to increase my profits. I'll have to save more. I'll have to invest more because, boss, I want more things now. Are you understanding? So when you do this activity for 10 minutes per day, you'll go crazy. करके देखना. How many of you would do it? आज से कौन स्टार्ट करेगा? अच्छा चलो 30 डेज के लिए करते हैं पहले. लेट्स डू इट फॉर 30 डेज एंड आफ्टर 30 डेज टेल मी कि क्या फर्क आया. बस टाइमर, फोन पे टाइमर सेट कर लेना ऑन अ फ्लाइट मोड सो दैट ऐसा ना हो अच्छा बीच बीच में व्हाट्सएप नोटिफिकेशन आ रहे हैं लाइक ओ दिस पर्सन डिड दिस इज सो नाउ यू राइटिंग ओ अच्छा ये हो गया. नो, यू डोंट हैव टू बी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड ड्यूरिंग दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके, 10 minutes फॉर योर सेल्फ यार प्लीज. ठीक है. Cool, I can see a lot of you guys are writing a me. Let me bring my mind map up. Cool? So you do it 10 minutes. You do it 10 minutes per day. Cool? Which will be how much? Again, unitary method. Guys, unitary method लगा दें थोड़ा सा. 10 minutes per day. So 180 days में कितने minutes हो गया? 1800 minutes. 1800 minutes divided by 60 makes it 30 hours. 30 hours हुए ना? Right? So 30 hours in next. Maybe I'll write it this way. So it makes it 30 hours by 31st दिसंबर. सोचो आपने अपनी लाइफ का जहां 1 मिनट नहीं देते थे आप अपने आप को गोल सेटिंग पे या डिजायर लिखने के ऊपर, अब 30 घंटे दे दिए होंगे अपने अपनी लाइफ के. 30 hours you would have done this activity. सोच के देखो 30 hours कितने बड़े होते हैं यार. It's like more than a day you're just writing your desires. Correct? So crazy madness आ जाएगी आपके अंदर. Cool? Let's do that. Okay, so this is going to increase your hunger. The next activity that we must be doing, and अभी तक मैंने आपका बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लिया है. 30 minutes on your reading, which is on your mindset, becoming more intelligent. 30 minutes on your body. 10 minutes on your goals, so that your hunger also keeps increasing, so that it makes you a massive action taker. ठीक है? Communication skills. I don't know about you, but what I have seen since I have grown up, at least अपनी 30 साल 32 साल के जीवन में, I have seen since my school days to my college days to my first job, second job, third job, fourth job to the profession that I'm in right now, communication skills have never gone out of picture. ये कभी भी फेल नहीं हुआ कभी. ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो आगे आने वाले 50 साल बाद भी. अच्छा आप बताओ 50 years बाद we would not need better leaders, better communicators, better people on the camera, people who are like the face of the team. चाहिए ही होता है ना, ये तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. आपने जॉब में देखा होगा 2 types of people are there, right? There are 2 types of people. Number 1, client facing people. मैंने देखा है, at least because I have been into consulting, into Big Fours. So when I was in PwC, for example, just giving you an example, so वहाँ पे क्या होता था? We were into a client facing role. There were a few people who used to come into the team जो बोलते ही नहीं थे, जिनके मुंह से शब्द नहीं निकलते थे. They So the directors and the senior managers were like, these people should not go to the client, they should do the office related work. There used to be certain engagements ना जिसमें आपको कहीं जाना नहीं है, you have to sit at your home and you have to do it. So there were those kind of people. Very few, majority people were those, and very few people were like client facing people. Like I always was a client facing person because I liked doing that kind of work, okay, where I had to be in front of the client and present and do those meetings and all. बट बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते थे जो जाते ही नहीं थे क्लाइंट पे. हु डू यू थिंक इज गोइंग टू गेट पेड मोर गाइस? अच्छा ठीक है, आप बताओ, मैनेजर, सीनियर मैनेजर, डायरेक्टर्स, पार्टनर्स, हु डू यू थिंक they will give a better salary increment to? People who are facing the client, people who are amazing presenters, people who speak मक्खन की तरह बोलते हैं, शब्द ऐसे निकलते हैं कि सामने वाला पागल हो जाए. पागल हो जाए एज इन फैन हो जाए. ठीक है? So, who do you think is going to make more money? Client facing people or the back end people? Now, I'm not saying that अच्छा आपको वही ये this is the norm. ऐसा भी नहीं होगा. Some back end developers which are like the best developers in the world, Google, Microsoft, these big companies would be paying them like crazy. करोड़ों में उनका annual package होगा बहुत तगड़ा. And they never even are visible probably to people because उनका back end ही इतना strong है. So I'm not saying that this is in 100% scenario. But this is a very, 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 very important skill. And अगर आप सीख लो, your chances of making money, your chances of creating side hustles increase manyfold. उसके बाद you can, अगर सोचो आपको बात करना आ गया, communicate करना आ गया, public speaking आ गई, you can sit in front of a camera and speak, you can stand amidst 10 people and speak. Imagine who all can you become extra to what you are today. Just one skill. Think about it. Let's say you don't read books, let's say you don't you're not physically active, होना तो जरूरी है ही. Suppose you build this one particular skill, which is being a good public speaker. Imagine your prospects of money. How many can they be? You can become a host somewhere, you can become an influencer, you can start your own social media channel, you can speak about any topic, as long as you have the skill that people just look at you, people just listen to you, and they want to listen to you, right? So guys, बहुत important है. अब ये कैसे build होगा? How do you build that? How do you build that? Again, only 10 minutes. I'll ask only 10 minutes of your precious time. I know I'm asking a lot of time from you guys from your day-to-day busy lives, बट ये यही है जो आपके अगले 6 महीने को बदल के रख देगा कंप्लीटली. यू विल बी अ चेंज्ड पर्सन. आपकी वाइफ या आपके हस्बैंड वुड से दैट, ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू? You look so much more attractive now. People would be physically attracted to you. People would be mentally attracted to you, emotionally more attracted to you. Because you'll be more intelligent, you'll look better, you'll talk better, you'll make sense more out of the words that you will say. तो वही तो चाहिए ना, उसी से तो ग्रो होंगे, राइट? Then only your 5 or 6 or 3 will reach to 10 out of 10 ना, when I ask you on the 31st of December. So guys, that's the road map that I'm giving you. ताकि आपको सोचना ना पड़े इसके बाद कि अच्छा व्हाट डू आई डू. सब लोग आके कहते तो रहते हैं बिल्ड गुड हैबिट्स, बिल्ड गुड हैबिट्स, पर कोई बताता नहीं है. आई एम टेलिंग यू 5 गुड हैबिट्स टुडे दैट यू हैव टू बिल्ड. 5 गुड हैबिट्स, बस इतना कर लो 31st December तक, ठीक है? Fourth, what I was speaking about, what do you have to do to build communication skills is 10 minutes every day. You have to sit in front of a camera, be it on a laptop, be it on a phone. You have to pick up any topic, apni marzi se. Nobody is going to give it to you. Pick up any topic of your choice and speak about it for 10 minutes. To start with 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Record it. Don't do it in front of a mirror, क्योंकि मिरर के सामने फिर आप एनालाइज नहीं कर सकते हाउ डिड यू स्पीक, बिकॉज इट विल बी गॉन, इट विल नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड, राइट? सो डोंट डू इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ मिरर, डू इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कैमरा वे यू कैन रिकॉर्ड इट. ठीक है? जैसे कैसे कर सकते हो? इफ यू आस्क मी हाउ आई यूज टू डू इट, हाउ आई हैव बिल्ट अप माई स्किल ऑफ स्पीकिंग ऑन कैमरा, आई यूज टू ओपन अप अ जूम सेशन, बिकॉज जूम इज फ्री. डोंट परचेज जूम गाइज, डोंट परचेज इट. आपको सिंपली एक जूम डाउनलोड करना है अपने फोन में, या वो है ही आपके पास क्योंकि आप मेरे सेशंस अटेंड करते हो. जस्ट सिंपली हैव टू ओपन इट and you just have to look at yourself in the camera and you just have to record for 10 minutes. Open the recording, free maybe recording हो सकती है. Open it, record it for 10 minutes and then see it later on. It can be any topic. आपको कोई intelligent topic नहीं लेना है. It can be, let's say, cooking food. Okay, today, for example, let's say I need to speak about cooking food. Hi, my name is Sonal Wadhwa. Today we are going to speak about cooking food. The food that I really like a lot is chocolate truffle cake. For us to be able to cook a chocolate truffle cake, we need these ingredients, as an example. अब मुझे नहीं आता truffle cake बनाना, so I'm not going to go into the recipe of it. But you understand what did I do? For people who are interested into food can speak like this. For people who are interested into technology, let's say, you can speak about, okay, so there's this new phone which has come up in the market. I would like to give you a review of how that phone's camera is today. So let's speak about that. And then speak about that for 5 minutes, 7 minutes. अब आप अटकोगे. ऐसा नहीं है that this is the first time you're doing it and you'll be like this fluent. Okay, let's speak, and you're like all crazy and you're smiling also, you're giving expressions also. It's not going to come out like that. It's probably going to come out like this. Today, let's speak about goals. Goal setting exercise is important. Then you'll think also. So 10 minutes में you'll be taking time to think also. See, मुझसे एक्टिंग भी नहीं हो रही अब, क्योंकि अब मेरी वो मसल मेमोरी बिल्ड हो गई है. सॉरी टू से, बट माई मसल मेमोरी हैज बिल्ड दैट आई एम नॉट कॉन्शियस इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा नाउ, एंड आई कैन स्पीक अबाउट अ टॉपिक इफ यू गिव मी फॉर 10 minutes straight. But for people who've never done it in the past, it's going to be a little bit of a tricky exercise. But imagine again 10 minutes per day for 180 days, right? 10 minutes per day for 180 days makes it 1800 basically minutes, which divided by 60 again makes it 30 hours of recorded content. Where it is 0 today, it will be 30 hours of recorded content. मजा आ रहा है? You would you उसके बाद कोई आपको बोले कैमरा पे आना है, would you be shy? उसके बाद कोई आपको बोले स्टेज पे जाके गिव अ स्पीच, आप खुद से जाओगे बिना बोले, है ना? अभी क्या होता है, जैसे इफ देयर इज एनी फैमिली फंक्शन और समथिंग, समबडी सेज यू हैव टू से 5 वर्ड्स, यू हैव टू से 10 वर्ड्स अबाउट इट, यू लाइक नहीं नहीं नहीं, लोग पीछे छुपने लग जाते हैं, नो नो नो, मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आता है, मुझे खड़ा कर दो, लेकिन मेरे को कोई खड़ा नहीं करता, क्योंकि पीपल आर लाइक ये तो ये खड़ी हो गई, ये बोलती रहेगी, ये चुप ही नहीं होगी, है ना? सो गाइज, दैट इज अ स्किल दैट इज गोइंग टू गेट डेवलप्ड in your personal life also, in your professional life also. You'll become a better communicator of your emotions also. So suppose there's someone over here who does not speak much to their wife, and the wife is always irritated. यार यार संजीव, you don't talk to me much यार. Like, है ना, होती है ना बीवियों की दिक्कत है, that you know husbands don't speak much. Simple. Now, suppose I think Sanjeev sir's wife is sitting beside, right? ठीक है. So cool. So Sanjeev, you don't speak a lot, right? You don't speak. थोड़ा सा भी नहीं बात करते यार आप मुझसे. Now Sanjeev is like 10 minutes every day sitting in front of camera and speaking to himself. And 10 days later, he starts speaking 5 words with his wife. 20 days later, he has 20 words to speak. 30 days later, he has 30 words to speak. Wife is like, वाओ यार, यही तो चाहिए था. एक साल बाद संजीव चुप ही नहीं हो रहे, मैं करूंगा बात बैठ के. एंड वाइफ इज लाइक, यही चाहिए था सोनल, वाइफ इज कमिंग एंड गिविंग मी अ टाइट हग. So it's not just going to help you professionally, guys. It's going to help you in your personal life also. ठीक है? Cool? Can we all do that? All right. Now a lot more people will be inclined to build this. Now I brought the personal thing in, right? So again, it's going to be the same, which I wrote over here. Cool? And then how does it help you? It makes you a more confident person. Okay, amidst people you become a more confident and a more, you can say, worthiness improve हो जाती है आपकी अपनी खुद की आंखों में when you do this. Okay, so the confidence and the worthiness increases, which is super important. Just this one skill, confident. And of course you get a skill to build multiple side hustles parallelly, क्योंकि इसके बाद आपके prospects भी open हो जाते हैं to do something in the other fields also, okay, which probably you have closed right now. And very quickly, the fifth, very 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 important, learn and master marketing and sales. क्योंकि ये हर जगह चाहिए आपको लाइफ में, हर जगह. इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो इन योर लाइफ, यू हैव टू मार्केट योरसेल्फ, बोथ पर्सनली प्रोफेशनली. पर्सनली मार्केट करने का मतलब क्या हो गया? आपको अपनी बात घर वालों से मनवानी है, तो भी तो मार्केट करना है. एंड प्रोफेशनली तो करना ही है. योर प्रोडक्ट, योर सर्विसेज, योर टाइम, you have to market yourself, right, to the people out there. Because unless and until you're not, but there's a difference between marketing and sales, guys. We use these terms together. That's why a lot of people get confused and feel ये एक ही बात है. Marketing is Hrithik Roshan coming on TV and having girls all around him. Girls उससे आके चिपक रही हैं because he has that particular, you know, perfume on, which is like probably as per the perfume company, attracts girls in a boy's life. That is marketing. Does the company make any sale when Hrithik Roshan does the ad? No, zero. But when people see the ad and when boys feel, oh, I also want this perfume because this is going to attract girls in my life, and they buy it over the counter, maybe order it online, that's when sales happen. You understand the difference, guys? Marketing is Hrithik Roshan coming and eating a hide and seek biscuit and saying, oh, so chocolatey. This is the best biscuit in the world. And sales is when I look at that and I'm like, मुझे भी चाहिए ये. I just want to have this biscuit and I order it. And the company, उसके बही खाते में 100-200 रुपए की entry extra हो गई because someone purchased the biscuit. That is sales. Understanding it, guys? Got it? What is marketing? What is sales? Marketing is me creating my Facebook ads and putting them on Facebook. Sales is when someone goes to the landing page and pays me 199 rupees. You understand the difference? Marketing is मेरी शक्ल दिखती रहे आपको. That means I'm marketing myself well. Sales is आप सिर्फ मेरी शक्ल फ्री में नहीं देखना चाहते, आप मुझे पैसे देके भी देखना चाहते हो. That is sales. Cool. So I just gave you a few examples so that you understand, for those people who don't understand the difference between marketing and sales. Cool. अब आपको भी दोनों चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं ये, अगर आपको कुछ बेचना है इन द मार्केट. अगर आपको अपने आप को जॉब में भी बेचना है, if you have to sell yourself in the job also, I'm not even saying only in the business, then also you need to be marketing and positioning yourself well. How? Your CV has to showcase that to people. And when your CV gets selected and you get selected in the company, that means sales happened in those terms, right? आप select हो गए, अब पैसे आएंगे आपकी जेब में, आपको कोई पे करेगा, right? So you got sold basically to the employer, not in the literal terms, don't take me otherwise, but you got sold to the employer in that sense that the employer loved whatever work you've done. So your marketing was well, the CV you prepared, the interview you gave was so amazing that you could sell yourself out. All right? Cool? So guys, marketing and sales is the fifth skill that you need to practice. Okay, any suggestions about self-marketing books I can read? Vijay, I can let you all know in the WhatsApp group some suggestions of the books, okay? For sales and marketing related. At least the ones that I have read, right? I'll do. Cool. So yeah, अब इसमें क्या करना है हमें? Like, of course, since we have an actionable at every other place, how do we learn and master the marketing, learn and master marketing and sales? It can come under either reading books. It's not like I'm going to say इसके लिए कोई specific अलग से effort चाहते हो तो you should be doing. You can be attending webinars, you can be attending workshops, you can be seeing sales and marketing related videos on YouTube. Spend maybe 10-15 minutes on hardcore learning marketing and sales, be it from a specific mentor or be it from anyone basically on YouTube who's an expert at it, who's teaching us. तो अगर आप इसको again, अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगी इसमें भी, let's say for the ease of calculation, if we have to take let's say 10 minutes per day, then you would have spent 30 hours by 31st of December 2025. Good or bad? जहाँ हम कुछ एफर्ट नहीं लगा रहे थे, we would have now spent 30 hours, right? So और इसमें अगर हमें टाइम कैलकुलेट करना था 30 मिनट्स पर डे, राइट, इसको 3 टाइम्स कर देते हैं, सो इट मेक्स इट 90 hours, right, that we were spending on reading the books. Cool? Okay. So 90, 90, 180 plus 30, 210, 240, 270 hours. Imagine. In the next 180 days, we have spent 270 hours on our development, becoming more intelligent, becoming fitter and healthier, increasing the hunger so that our action taking ability increases. We have become more confident as an individual. We've built a skill which can probably help us make extra money in the market also. And of course, we've worked on our marketing and sales, which makes us more money. So ये सब अगर हो गया, then can you imagine how your life is going to look like on the 31st of December 2025 versus how it looks like today? Think about it, just think about it. अगर ये हो गया, how many of you feel भाई मजा ही आ जाएगा यार? It's going to be, I'm going to be a different person. I'm going to feel different. I'm going to look different. I'm going to be perceived by people differently. मेरे घर वाले अलग लेवल खुश होंगे, मेरे बच्चे मेरे को एज अ रोल मॉडल देखने लगेंगे, which probably you don't see today. My parents will start seeing that this individual has changed. My action taking ability would have gone to next level. Imagine. Now, just for the last 5 minutes, I want us to do a small visualization, okay? We're not going to do specifically tapping. हम आँख बंद करके visualize करेंगे कि हमने कुछ नहीं किया, ठीक है, हमने ये सब नहीं किया for the next 6 months. हमने नहीं किया, we were like ठीक है कुछ दिन हो पाया कुछ दिन नहीं हो पाया, then we forget in the next few days, right? We forget. So okay, for those of you who want to see the points again, meanwhile I'm speaking, I'll just quickly for a minute present my screen. So yeah, what was I saying? That let's say for the next 30 days you forgot, या for some reason you took it for granted, आपको लगा ठीक है यार ये तो मतलब देखी जाएगी, and you took it with a very casual attitude. So let's visualize how the life is going to look like at the end of 2025 if we don't do it. ठीक है, एक बार आंख बंद करो guys. Close your eyes and just try to visualize your life. Let's just try to visualize our life on the 31st of this. Nobody is going to open their eyes until I explicitly tell you, okay? Just keep them closed. So suppose we are sitting together like this, okay? Imagine that we are sitting together like this just 6 months from now. Just 6 months from now, on the 31st of December 2025, we are sitting together And I come to you and I ask you that, okay, tell me, how has how have the last 6 months of your 2025 been? From July till December, just revisit them and see how they have been. And the numbers that you give me are 2, 3, maybe 4. And I ask why. And you guys say that, no, it's just the same. Like, I tried to go to a gym. I went for like 2, 3 days, but then I could not continue. I could not go. I did not feel like. Maybe my body was too tired to go to the gym. I thought I'll lose my weight, but Sonal, my weight increased by 5 kgs. My weight increased by 10 kgs. You know, I even started smoking because of all the stress, because my body was not very strong, and I felt that the work was too much. So I had thought I'll work on myself as I had promised to you, but then I don't know, something happened, I could not. I started reading a book. I got bored too soon. Some nights I read, but some nights I just forgot and I slept. I did not remember it during the day. There was so much work to do, right? You can understand, Sonal, right? You can understand there was so much work to do. I have a family to take care, and I just could not do it. I just could not focus on creating a video of myself every day. It was too much of an effort. Like, yeah, I want to be a better communicator, but then too much of effort, right? And I could not make that effort. So, in a nutshell, I made promises, but I could not keep those promises. And I think it has only downgraded from where it was in June, because there was this accumulated guilt also that, I promised, but I did not live up to that promise. So, I don't think so. Not, anything much changed in the last 6 months. I don't think so. I mean, I've only become more, less, I would say, less physically active, and, less of someone who I would have wanted to become. Right, guys, open up your eyes now. You can open up your eyes. How many of you like this picture of what we just spoke about? How many of you like this picture? Hate it, right? Okay. Anyone who liked this picture? No? No? Cool. So let's build a new picture, okay? We are now going to build a picture that we want, a picture that we would like in our life, okay? Ready? Ready for a better picture? Cool. So now what we are going to do is we are going to build the picture which we want to look like at the end of this year 2025. Okay, let's start. Let's start. You again close your eyes, guys. I'll again take you through a journey. This time the one that you would like and love and fall in love with. Okay, cool. So we are sitting together on Zoom just like this on the 31st of December 2025, and I come over on Zoom and I ask you that how were the last 6 months of our life, guys? Like, we decided on building some 5 habits together. How did they go? And you say, and this time each one of you has to visualize as if you are the one who is saying this, okay? Just visualize. You say that, Sonal, I want to come over on camera and I want to tell you. I want to literally narrate. I can't control my excitement. I want to tell you every single day of how my last 6 months was. I say, okay, sure, come over on camera. And you say that, see, Sonal, this is the picture I took of myself in June. On the 5th of July, I took this picture when we were having the session. I took this picture of mine because I took it as a challenge that I'm going to capture myself as to how I look and feel today. And just look at me now. Do I look like a more happier person? Do I speak better? Am I more confident today? Do you see that my energy levels are so higher up? Do I look a little bit fitter to you also? Like, my face is glowing a little better. Because you know what, Sonal, I have been exercising every single day without any break. And just like you told me, I felt that that rush within my body. And you know, something shifted. I used to exercise every day. Every morning I used to go for a run. The day you told me, for the first few days, it was very challenging. I'll be very honest, it was very challenging. But you know what happened? After 5-10 days of me going for a walk, brisk walk, I started running. It was as if my body was becoming someone new. It was as if I was child again. I was running, I was getting runner's high. I never imagined, Sonal. And you know what? I just applied for the first 5 kilometer marathon. I know it's a very small step. I know it's a very small step. 5 kilometer is like nothing. But this is going to be my first marathon, and I can't control my excitement. I just feel the happiest person on this earth. I'm going for my first marathon, and after that, if I can complete this, I'll probably plan for the next half marathon also. And you won't believe I had so amazing ideas. I started working on my communication skills. I even started my YouTube channel, and I have my first 5,000 subscribers in the last 6 months. The first 1 month was difficult. Sonal, it was very difficult because I used to hate my voice. I did not like seeing it, looking at myself. But 6 months, and I already have 5,000 subscribers, and I have started making certain US dollars, almost 80 to 100 US dollars per month, only from the views that are coming on my videos, which is good, right? I'm making an extra 10,000 rupees per month just because I worked on my communication skills. I'm making a little bit extra money. And I'm getting, now I'm thinking that after YouTube, maybe I can move to Instagram. And maybe once I have a good followership, I can convert it into a side hustle also. I can sell something also. Right now, I'm not selling anything, but in 6 months, this is a good move, right? That I could make. And you won't believe me, I promised I would read 12 books, but I have completed 8 books, Sonal, where I did not read even a single book. I took this challenge and I've completed 8 books. And those 8 books have only helped me create content on YouTube. Otherwise, how would I know what to even speak about, right? Thank you so much that you asked me to read books, because those books only taught me that, there is so much I can be speaking about. There was so much in me. Where was I? Where was I all of these 35 years, 40 years of my life? I just love myself today. I can tell you, I just love myself. You just ignited something in me, and these 6 months have been nothing but as if everything that I learned in the last 40 years, I just applied in these 6 months. I unlearned so much, but then I learned so much and I applied it all. So I look better, I feel better, I emotionally feel better, I'm financially also doing a little bit better, and this is only going to grow from here. And my goals, my aspirations have become so huge now that I have this feeling that 2026 में तो मैं आग ही लगा दूंगा यार. Like, if 6 months could be like that, imagine what my next year will look like, Sonal. Imagine. I'll have full year to me. This year I feel so sad I only had 6 months, but next year I'll have the full year. Imagine. I have been writing my aspirations every day. I did not even know what all I wanted before I started doing this exercise. Now तो there's no limit. 6 months में मैंने ये सब कर लिया. अगले साल तो you just wait. I'm just waiting eagerly. I'll do my goal setting tomorrow on the 1st of January 2026 for the next year. And just wait, Sonal. Just meet me again. Meet me again on the 31st of December 2026, and I would have put the world on fire. All right, guys. All right. You all can come back. We all can come back. Okay. Let's be back. Cool. Let's be back to the 5th of July 2025. We are still here. Okay. How many of you got transported? Literally, as if you were the one speaking with this energy at which I was speaking and telling. You would want to be this person telling me like this, the same story like I was telling you right now. Right? Cool? You want? मजा आया? Had fun? Cool. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा था. I was like, I could continue this role play for the next 15 minutes also, but just in the interest of time, I had to close it. But I was really having so much fun. Awesome, feels great. Definitely, I'll do it. Superb. So it's just these 5 habits that we have to work on, guys, okay? And we'll be again meeting at the year end, and we'll again discuss how did it go. Okay? Can we really do that? Can we really have some volunteers here coming and speaking with this excitement on 31st December to me? कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ. The last 6 months were like crazy. Super crazy. Right? Cool, amazing. So I really hope that we do that. And of course, it was amazing seeing you guys here this morning. I hope you have a good Saturday and an amazing Sunday. We are going to meet next Saturday now, guys, okay? 12 p.m. So happy to see that a lot of you guys are writing promise, clear, vivid picture you could see. Thank you. It was amazing. I'll do that. Yeah, I'll share a screenshot of the mind map also for your reference, guys, on the group so that you have a ready reference. The recording also, of course, I'll share for you. Cool? Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet next Saturday. Bye bye.